Welcome to today's Excel tutorial where we will dive into creating professional cluster bar chart. Whether you are presenting sales data, survey results or any other categorical information, cluster bar chart are an excellent way to visualize comparison within groups. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step through the process of building clear, polished cluster bar chart that will impress your audience and enhance your data presentation.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
This is the data of the sensory properties of the food items named as product A, B and C, and the sensory attributes are color, texture, flavor, aroma and taste, and from this data we will be developing a professional clustered bar chart. For this purpose, I am going to select this data and then I will go to the Insert tab, and here I will go to the recommended chart and select the clustered bar chart from this list and press OK. This is the basic clustered bar chart that Excel has made for us, and in this tutorial we will be learning how we can customize different elements of this clustered bar chart. So first of all, I am just positioning it. The first thing that you can notice is that it is starting from the 0, but there is no variation up till the number 6. So because of this, these bars are looking so long. I will double click it and this will open the format axis, and here you can see that we can set the minimum values as well as the maximum value. And for the minimum, because there is no change up till the number 4, so instead of writing 0, I will change it to 4. Now you can see that the difference between different bars is more clear. After this, I will remove these lines. For this purpose, I will right click and then delete this. I will add data labels. To add the data labels, I will go to this plus option with this chart and click it, and here I will choose the data label and check it. Now because data labels are present with these bars, so I don't need the data labels on the x-axis. Therefore, I will right click and delete it. I'll increase the plot area. For this purpose, I'll click it and then I'll adjust it by dragging the chart area. I want these legends on the top. Therefore, I will click them and move them by dragging with the help of mouse to the top. I can adjust the size. Now how we can position these data labels inside of these bars? For this purpose, I will click them to select, and then in the format data labels, I will select this option of the label option and I will scroll down, and here I will select this label position in the inside end, and then you can see that it is moving to the inside. Similar will be done for the product B and for the product C. Now I will change the color of this data label, so I will click to select and then change the font color to white. Make them bold with the help of shortkey Ctrl B, and similar will be done for the other products. After adjusting the x-axis, now it's time to learn how we can format the y-axis. For this purpose, the first thing that we want is to give this Y category name on the top of this clustered bar. To add the category name on the top of this clustered bar, I'll go to this insert option and then I'll go to the text and select the text box and draw it over these bars. And to link it, I'll go to the formula bar and here I will write equal and link it with the taste cell from the table and then press OK. Readjust the size and position of this text box. Now to make the multiple copies, I'll keep press the control key and then move my mouse cursor over the top until this plus sign is made, and then I'll drag it down to make its copies. To change the name, I'll select this cell and then change the path to the cell that contains the aroma, that is the E. So I'll change in the formula bar to E and then press enter. For the flavor, I will change it to D, and for texture I will change it to C, and for the color I will change it to B. Now because the category name is present on the top of the bars and we don't need the y-axis, so I will right click it and then select delete. I will click my plot area and increase its size. I will readjust the position of the category. Now we will learn that how we can change the color of these bars. For this purpose, I will double click any bar and this will open the format data series, and here I will select this fill option. I will select the fill and then I can choose any color. I'm just changing the color of the first bar and the last bar. Now we will learn that how we can change the title of this chart. For this purpose, I will click it and in the formula bar I will write equal and then select the cell where the title of the chart is present and press enter. I can reposition it, make it bold by pressing Ctrl B, and your professional looking clustered bar chart is ready.
And there you have it. You have learned how to create professional cluster bar chart in Excel. Remember, clear data visualization is the key to effective communication. So use these techniques to make your data chart stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.